All right, Barry, thanks so much. Well, Omicron variant is making headlines right now across the country. Here's NBC's Alice Barr with the latest.
We will be boarding our flight by group numbers.
A testing scramble for international travelers beginning today. Anyone flying into the U.S. from a foreign country must now show proof of a negative COVID test taken no more than 24 hours before takeoff. The timeline's so tight, it's forcing some travelers to cancel.
It's just really challenging. So much so that I don't actually know if we're going to be able to do it.
I was very angry at the change in such a quick turnaround.
Public health experts defending the move with the Omicron variant now detected in more than 40 countries, including the U.S.
I do think we have an investment in making sure people aren't bringing new cases.
As the concerning new strain spreads across at least 17 states, scientists are racing to learn more about how contagious it is, whether it will respond to vaccines, and how severe the symptoms will be.
Thus far, though it's too early to really make any definitive statements about it, thus far it does not look like there's a great degree of severity to it.
For now, experts warning the Delta variant still poses the greatest risk, with cases rising across the country.
We have about 90 to 100,000 cases a day right now in the United States, and 99.9% of them are the Delta variant.
With the busy holiday travel season well underway, the Biden administration says right now there are no plans for new restrictions on domestic travel. With health officials urging a renewed focus on testing to control the spread, some top congressional leaders are issuing fresh calls to make at-home testing kits more easily available. The Biden administration is planning to distribute 50 million of those tests to community sites and rural clinics. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC News.
Now, as doctors monitor the new COVID variant, there are still some in the hospital fighting off infections from months ago. Most of them long shots to ever fully recover. All of them fighting a battle they won't likely win. Today, Chris Vanderveen tells the story of one man who did.
Fighting a virus like this carries side effects.
Sometimes I say we get to go home. Patients don't get to go home.
Side effects. Some you know, some you don't.
There's days that we just stop each other and we make it through, and that's all we got.
Dr. Luciano Lemos knows more than most the side effects of loss.
It's always the back of our head. It's tough.
And so when he elected to put a father of 3 on something known as an ECMO, or artificial lung, he knew the odds of survival on it stood no better than 50-50.
I will confess I was disheartened at about day 30 that his lung volumes are not getting better.
And yet somehow, some way, in this case,
I couldn't believe it.
It worked.
It was minute to minute, probably hour to hour for a long time, and it got to the point where I was even planning a funeral.
Brenda Bailey's husband, Nate, is now 158 days into his unscheduled visit to Swedish Medical Center.
I'm glad to be alive.
What his mask hides, his eyes reveal.
And I just still got a lot of ways to go. But I'm ready for it.
While Nate was out, Brenda watched others in the ICU die.
Just COVID related, probably 6 or 7 maybe.
Which is why this day, of all days,
so we are going to watch Nate walk out of the hospital,
means so much to the many, many, many people who helped better Nate's odds.
For them to get better is just, it makes it all worth it.
People like Madison Babb, RN.
It's incredible. It's so incredible. I'm so excited to see him go home.
It's become tradition inside hospitals to do this for COVID patients who nurses and docs have gotten to know well.
Ready to take on the next journey here. I'm ready.
A send-off, if you will. A chance to celebrate the side effects of success. But look closely into the eyes of those who continue this fight.
It's just, it's why we do it. That's why we do it.
Chances are, you'll also see.
It's just, we're so happy for him.
See the side effects of a fight that has taken a toll on body and mind alike.
Feels good.
even on a great day.
All right.
A great day like this.
It was really tough. There's several people that didn't make it.